You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase once and for all correctly as an example of how to use that middle word here and how to pronounce it. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. Manners. Manners. Maketh is how you say it. It's like make, but with th at the end. Maketh the man, or the man, as the Americans would say. So, how to pronounce in English? Manners maketh the man. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.